Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and this is a different kind of video. I'm going to show you how you can DIY a shoe rack which is wall mounted. Now, of course, there are better ways or different ways of doing the same thing. I'm going to show you the one which is working best for me. So these here are two pieces of 1x4 and they are 36 inches in length each. Then these here, this one and that guy over there, those are our side pieces which are 10 inches long. Again, you can customize this to the length which you want. And the next thing we're going to do is we have pre-drilled holes in these side pieces and we're going to put them like so on either side. You can of course go this way also, in which case you will have to pre-drill the holes on this piece. I am doing it like this on the side over here. Now, before you ask me what are the screws I'm using, these are the screws which I am using, and all the relevant links can be found in the description of this video. So this here are the three pieces which we have connected. Next up, we're going to take our fourth piece and we're going to stick it on the inside over here on both the sides and then screw this piece in place. Now, of course, you can do another thing wherein you put this piece on the outside like this, in which case the other end will have to be longer. Again, you can use whatever is working best for you. In my case, putting it on the inside works best for me because I'm not putting anything on the back over here. So on this side, this is the side which will be against the wall, and I'm not putting anything over here. I'm fine with my wall getting a bit dirty because this is going to be in the garage and mounted on the wall. So let me put in this piece over here on the front and then I will show you the results. Now, once we have screwed in the front piece, this is how it is going to look. Now, of course, you can always move this a wee bit up as well in case you want to put in some space over here at the bottom for the toes of the shoes to show. And how do you hang these on the wall? Well, you have multiple options over here. So in my case, I decided to use D-rings. So these here are the D-rings which I am using on the back. Of course, I do have to put in another screw over here. You can also use keyhole hangers. Now, as for hanging these on the wall, what is the hardware I'm using? So I'm using this Easy Anchor drywall anchor. So it has a plastic piece which is right over here, which goes into the wall, and then it also comes with the screws here, and you just leave a little bit of clearance for these D hangers when you put those screws into those white brackets which go into the drywall, and you should be good to go.